Ramen can be a quick fix when you're hungry, but not all those store-bought cups or packages are healthy. Here to show us how you can elevate a bowl of ramen and maybe even try it for breakfast is Chef Sang Kim. Chef, always,
Hi,
every
Dan.
time you're here, I know we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Okay, good.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the store-bought stuff, which, I mean, if you've ever gone to university, you know intimately well.
Yes.
Okay.
We ate this 3 times a day, as you did as well. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to teach the audience how to make a healthy ramen for breakfast.
Yeah, let's talk about what's not healthy in it first.
Okay, so you see that they come in 2 basic shapes, right? This one here comes in a dome shape, and this is, of course, the cup noodle, right? And that already has the seasoning in it, okay?
Yeah.
So all you have to do is pour hot water in it,
Close the lid, and then wait a few minutes.
That's right. The second method, of course, is the packaged one, okay? And they come in this kind of bed shape thing. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cooking with that.
Yeah, this is the one we want because the flavor packet is, while it's got a lot of flavor in it, it's got stuff in it that we don't necessarily want to put in our
Yeah,
bodies.
you know what? It's got tons of MSG. It's got TBHQ.
Yeah.
It's got this.
I say yes as if I know what TBHQ is.
Yeah, you actually need a biochemical degree to read the ingredient list. But this has also got BPA, styrofoam, right?
Right.
So this is
Okay. So we opt for the flavorless bed of noodles.
Right.
Okay, and how do we add flavor to that?
Okay, so what we're gonna first do is we're gonna wash the palm oil that it's deep fried in off.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the noodles here, right, and put it in boiling water, and let it boil for about 3 minutes, right?
Okay.
Then we strain it.
Okay.
And then what I've done is I've strained it and I've put it into the bowl over there, and it's ready to be dressed.
Okay.
I've made a house broth, right? Made out of vegetables, right? So that's nice and healthy. Just a
So
little bit of
that's
salt.
right. So rather than using this thing here,
Right.
You've made vegetable broth.
That's right.
Could you boil after you strain off the palm oil? Could you boil them in this broth to infuse it with more flavor?
Yes, so that's precisely what we're doing. So instead of me taking the ramen and just putting it into the broth and boiling it again, right? I boiled it off, right? Cold water.
Yeah.
Put it into the bowls, and then warm up the broth, and we're gonna ladle the broth in.
Fantastic. Okay. So now we've got the cleanest possible noodle that we have.
That's right.
We can have. We got to put some broth on top.
Right.
Okay.
So let's do that.
Load me up, chef.
Beautiful.
But so far, chef, I'm saying vegetable broth and noodles. I'm thinking that's something that I would eat on a cold winter's night, not a breakfast.
Sounds like a story that you're gonna.
Yeah, but tell me how we turn this into something I would have for breakfast.
Right. So egg.
Okay.
Okay, so you really need egg.
Sure.
What you want to do is you want to raise the nutritional value of instant noodles, right?
Because that's what you want first thing in the morning.
That's right. So now, speaking of dark, dreary winters and all that, this is a beautiful array of winter leftovers.
Okay.
Right?
Oh,
So,
sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have ham, you have turkey.
I'm noticing meat over here and vegetables over here.
Right. So, and also, you know what? Frozen peas and corn, right? It's also really good.
Sure.
Right? So you can, there's tofu.
So I should probably take one of these, right?
Sure.
So put that right there.
Let's do that.
It popped over.
Just why don't you use your fingers?
Yeah. What's that, chicken?
No, that's turkey.
That's turkey, okay. Okay.
And then let's put some ham in there.
Okay.
Okay. Why not some tofu
There
as
we
well?
go. You can have the tofu, my friend. I'm gonna go with
I need
carrots
my
here.
fingers here. Okay.
I'm gonna go with carrots.
Some
There we
sprouts.
go. And throw some sprouts on there.
Yeah, and let's just top it off with some nice shredded dry chili peppers.
Oh, really?
There you go.
All right, look at that.
All right.
So there we go. We've got breakfast here. Okay, so now do we mix it all together and warm it all up?
Sure, let's do
Okay.
that.
Now, yeah, okay.
And it's also important, well, you're really good with chopsticks.
Well,
It's the Asian in you.
Okay, so you've said, and this is the most important thing that we're going to teach people today.
What's that?
You slurp your noodles.
How did you know that you're supposed to
I don't
slurp?
know. It was. Listen, I think the kid in me, when I was told slurping noodles, it was something that stuck with me. So it is polite and expected
Right.
to slurp the noodles, right?
Yes, so why don't we do that?
Okay.
On the
ready?
count of 3.
Mom, I love you. There's flavor in that, Chuck.
How was that?
Thank you, my
good,
friend. That's great. Thank you so much.